Today we're going to look at the product from Maectech, and they do a lot of products, but this time we're looking at the magnetic phone tripod with fill light. So as it says, it should be sticking on the back of your phone via the magnet, like MagSafe type, and then you can use the light if you need it, or just use it as a tripod. Just to get an idea, that's how it is. So you also get metallic rings to attach them on the back of your phone if you don't have MagSafe. The manual, and then you get a charging cable, which seems to be USB-A to C, and then the device itself. So that's how it looks like. That's the magnetic part. Then on the top you have the light ring. So if you press once or press and hold, it just lights up, and then you can change the color temperature. I don't know if you can see it from the film. This is a bit yellow. Okay, and then this is the intensity, and then from here you just change the mode. If you press and hold, goes back down. And the way it works, you just have to push this out. As you can see, it would work in probably both positions, but it doesn't matter because once you have it all open, at the back you have two legs, which they open sideways. You have to drag them out. Let me show you. But the legs on the back, they open up like this. So I've noticed the fit, they have rubber, so it's quite nice. And all you have to do is just attach your phone like so, and just stays in there, and then you turn on the light and you can use your camera to record yourself. So let me just see if I can show you. So that's how it stands up.